How to find out the fixed end moments? Fixed end moments. First take the member AB. Member AB. Okay, member AB. You have to calculate the fixed end moment. 24 kilonewton, 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. Okay, to calculate the moments at support A, this will be the MAB, support B, MBA. Therefore, there is a formula for point load. ठीक है, तो MAB का फॉर्मूला क्या है? पॉइंट लोड के लिए अगर सेंटर पे पॉइंट लोड है, किसी भी बीम पे, किसी भी स्पैन पे या किसी भी मेंबर पे सेंटर में अगर पॉइंट लोड है तो उसका फॉर्मूला, सिंपल फॉर्मूला इज देयर WL/8. वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग MAB, it is anti-clockwise. We are giving the notation anti-clockwise as negative. Therefore W, how much is W? 24 into L. L is total span, that is 3 divided by 8. जो भी आएगा वो आपका आंसर, that is -9 kilonewton meter. Okay. Similarly for MAB, this is clockwise, formula will be same. Therefore MBA will be WL/8. So answer will be 9 kilonewton meter. Okay. Similarly, calculate the bending moment for member BC. BC member के लिए आप क्या करोगे? सेम न्यूमेरिकल BC member लोगे, ड्रॉ करोगे BC member. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कपल मोमेंट है, बेंडिंग मोमेंट यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? MBC, and here will be the one moment MCB. This moment is 40 kilonewton meter. The couple moment is clockwise. Therefore, both the moments will be positive. MBC equals to M/4. MCB will also be M/4. This is the formula. Positive. Both the moments will be positive moments. Therefore, due to positive bending moment, MBC is positive. When the MBC is positive, we are taking clockwise as positive. This bending moment will be clockwise. Therefore, M/4, M is 40 divided by 4 equals to 10 kilonewton meter. Here is also 10 kilonewton meter. Both the bending moment will be positive, MBC and MCB. In this way, you have to calculate the fixed end moments. In this way, you have to calculate the fixed end moments.